Before we get to the shop, let's take a look at what the heads used to look like. As you can see, these were terrible. The heads were dead. The springs were soft. I think when they got checked out, they only took 45 pounds to collapse. So everything needed to be changed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Paul. Just on my way down to Paul Silva Performance. I'm gonna go check out my heads. They're fully done, so I'm looking forward to seeing those. I'm gonna check out the new pistons as well, and price out a complete Holley Dominator setup, wiring harness, the with screen and smart coils, the full shebang. So I'll see you guys when I get down there. Here's the new heads. Fully done. Look nice. Complete valve, Manley valve train. Completely machined. All new springs, everything brand new. Heads are ported, Fox Lake stage 3 port, CNC. Okay, these are the pistons that we're going with. Very nice, coated diamond. These are custom diamond pistons. New rods.
Those are, so they come in the States.
So I just left the shop, and as you guys saw, the heads came out amazing. Everything was refreshed on the heads. Fresh machining, fresh valve job, and a complete brand new Manley valve train. Basically the only thing that I used from my old heads was the castings themselves, and that's because they were already Fox Lake stage 3 CNC ported and matched to the intake, so I wanted to save those. As far as the short block, all the machining is done on that as well. You guys saw the pistons. Everything is now being sent out to get balanced, so we're making some good progress, and it shouldn't be long before everything comes together. Ordered a few little parts, some more, some bearings, the ARP cam tower bolts. The little things, even the little things add up, as you guys know. So happy with the direction we're going, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.